Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin with perspective. Choose one point for simplicity. Place the horizon and eye level, then draw the flagpole as a vertical line. This anchors depth. Next, sketch the flag rectangle attached to the pole. Mark its height and a wave amplitude about 1/3 of the flag height so folds read as depth. Use light lines so you can adjust. Once the rectangle sits correctly, draw the leading edge of the fabric and a few guide curves that show the flag's motion. Now you turn guide curves into 3D folds by exaggerating overlaps where fabric tucks and pulls. Think of each fold as a soft ridge. Add cross-contour lines that follow the fabric flow. These tell the eye the surface curves in space. Decide a light source and lightly mark highlights on outward faces and shadows in creases. Blend shading with soft strokes for gradual tone changes. Once done, reinforce the silhouette lines and finish by applying flat color first, then add darker values in recesses and lighter values on peaks so the flag reads three-dimensional. This is why tonal contrast matters. Refine edges, strengthen the pole, define the hemline, and add stitching hints where cloth meets metal. If colors feel flat, boost small highlights. Troubleshoot a wobbly wave by reworking curve rhythm. Make sure adjacent folds flow in the same direction, and shadows align with your light source to restore realism.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.